Travertine floors in Hounslow. Do your travertine floors seem impossible to keep clean? No matter how often you mop, they just don't look fresh. That's because travertine has tiny pores that trap dirt and grime, making regular cleaning ineffective. We've got the perfect solution. Let's take you through the travertine cleaning process. Every job starts with a thorough inspection. We check for stains, etching, cracks, lost grout, and other damage. Identifying these issues early helps us choose the best cleaning method. We apply powerful cleaners to remove sealer residue, dirt, and stains. A professional-grade scrubbing machine agitates the cleaner, lifting grime without damaging the stone. For deep stains, we use specialised treatments or a poultice. We also scrub grout lines and holes with additional brushes and pads to remove dirt and bacteria. After cleaning, we rinse the surface with pressurised water and capture the residue. A wet vacuum removes excess moisture, speeding up drying. Next, we repair cracks, fill holes, and replace lost grout with a suitable filler. To protect the travertine, we offer multiple sealing options. For a polished or natural look, we apply a penetrating sealer. For filled or worn travertine, we recommend a surface sealer. After sealing, we inspect the surface, fix any imperfections, and ensure it's dry and ready for use. Finally, we recommend the best cleaning equipment, chemicals, and schedule to maintain the finish. That's the complete travertine cleaning process. With proper care, your travertine will stay beautiful for years. If you're tired of scrubbing without results, let us give your travertine floors the professional care they need. Call 01372 664 337 or visit our website tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk today.